Hello?
Hi, Devin?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Jeff. I talked to you like a couple months ago about your video about 9/11.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Yeah, sorry to bother you again. I was just wondering, I never got a chance to ask you, where exactly did you film that from?
One Penn Plaza.
Like you yourself, you're like a video animator or like digital video or
Motion
something?
graphics.
Like how hard do you think, with your, in your professional opinion, would it be for them to have made fake videos? Not very hard at all, or?
No, it would be totally easy. It would be, completely feasible in order to create those fake videos. I don't care who did it or how it was done. All I know is that it was a horrible tragedy,
Back sharply and smashed directly, perhaps purposely.
Whoa!
Oh my God! No, just hit it.
Holy cow!
What happened?
Another plane just hit it!
Just hit it.
What?
Another plane just hit it!
Oh my God, the other tower!
Just ran into the other tower. We have an eyewitness who said it was a large plane that crashed first. And then as we were watching the live picture here in the studio, we saw a plane crash into the other tower of the World Trade Center.
No, I didn't see what caused it or if there was an impact. What caused it or if there was an impact. What caused it or if there was an impact. What caused it or if there was an impact.
Did you see like the CNN footage that has the same like perspective as your video did? Like
I did. That's my
T?
footage. They have my. The CNN was next door to where I worked at the time, and I gave them my footage. HBO also used my footage for a documentary.
Oh, so the video footage they played on CNN was your actual footage?
Some of it probably, yeah.
Like, what did they do? Did they buy it off you, or?
No, I gave it to them for free. I'm not going to make money off of the tragedy of thousands of people dying.
Well, it is a grotesque sight to look at from about 30 blocks away from where we are.
And I just wanted to get that quick question about where you were when you had taken the footage.
Yeah, One Penn Plaza,
24th
24th floor, a
24th
company
floor?
called Wave Express.
Okay.
But, people are going to spin it however the way they want to spin it. People want to believe that it wasn't real. They're more than happy to go upon that theory.
There is a large fire at the Pentagon. The Pentagon has been evacuated. And there's, you can see, perhaps the second tower, the front tower, the top portion of which is collapsing.
Okay, well, thanks for your time again, Devin. Sorry to bother you.
That's all right. You know, good luck with your pursuit. I fully support people to continue the investigation of this. I don't think we have heard the whole story, and I support people like you who are trying to get to the bottom of it. Definitely, you know, good luck with your pursuit.
Okay, well, you take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.